Hello friends, myself Fahim Hassan, and in this video I'm going to teach you how you can set up personal SSH keys on Windows. For instance, if you are going to work with Bitbucket, so maybe you will require the SSH key verification to commit your code and to do this type of stuff. Before starting the video, you must need to install the Git first, and then you can open the command prompt, and here you can check either git is installed or not by typing this command git --version. Once you will do that, the second step is you will type here ssh hyphen keygen then -t. You can maybe pause the video and watch that what I am typing here, and then rsa then -b and then 4096 and then -c, and then in double quotes you can type here your email. You can see that. Okay, now once you will press enter, maybe it will ask you to save where you want to save this SSH key. You can simply press enter. So let me repeat that. I have opened my terminal. You need to write this command, press enter, and again second time you can press enter. Because I have already generated my SSH key, now I'm going to show you where it is. So I will open my C drive. Inside the users, this is my username. Inside this you will see .ssh. Okay, so here maybe initially you will see these two files like id and id_rsa.pub. So you can simply open this command with a notepad, and you can see that inside this you will find this type of key. So it doesn't matter how long this key is, you need to fully copy this and then you need to paste this in your Bitbucket account. So at this step you can copy this SSH key from here. Then I will go to browser and type here Bitbucket, so I can open my Bitbucket account. Then you can click on this setting icon and then personal Bitbucket setting. Then you will see this SSH keys here, and from here you can click on add key, and here you can give any name, like I can write here Fahim PC or this type of stuff, and after this you need to paste that key here that you copied from that file. This is the key. Okay, so let me copy some of the part of this, and but you need to copy this fully. Okay, so I'm just showing you as an example, and you can write any name here like my PC SSH key, and you can remain these options as it is, and you can click on add key. So by doing this, the SSH key will be set up automatically, and you will able to commit in your Bitbucket repositories, and maybe you can clone repositories to your local host and this type of stuff. Let me know in the comment section if this solution is working for you. Thank you.